My Ninja Creamy is arriving today, should be here any minute. And if y'all thought that I was going to be freezing stuff today and then making it 24 hours from now and not using it tonight, you got another thing coming. You may be wondering, Carissa, how are you gonna do this? Okay, well, first of all, I've got my cast of characters here. I've got my Fairlife, and then I've got my pudding mix. I know a lot of people on here use the sugar-free one, which I did buy it yesterday if you watched my Walmart vlog on here yesterday. But I'm gonna be honest, like the regular one tastes better than the sugar-free one, and like I'm not tracking macros, so I'm just gonna use this because I wanna make an M&M McFlurry. I know what you're thinking now. Carissa, you're gonna put it in there and freeze it? This isn't the size of the Ninja Creamy. You guys just wait, because I just took a shower and I thought this through. I mathed this. Not really math, but just like more like creative thinking. Ooh. Okay, so apparently this is actually like lactose free. Oh, it is. I'm not lactose intolerant. For the record, you probably could just use regular milk, but everyone on here is using this one, I think because it's like higher protein. So that's what we're gonna do. I love pudding mix. Oh, I'll be honest, listen, I've made like homemade pudding. Nothing compares to the box mix. I'm just being honest. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bit, and now let me get like a little whisk. And then I wonder why I don't have my dream body, because here I am making some ice cream and I'm about to make a loaf of homemade bread. Honestly, food, enjoyment of food is way over like how I look, I'm gonna be honest. Food makes me happy. Feeding people makes me happy. Okay, I gave it a little taste. Tastes good. It's not like super sweet. Because I obviously like did it, like the amount of milk that I used was probably enough to make this whole box of pudding, because I'm pretty sure that you need, you need like 2 cups of this for the whole box, and I probably did like way more, probably like 1.5 cups of milk, and then I only used like maybe like 1/5 of the packet. But yeah, don't forget, because we're gonna add in M&Ms too. And yeah, honestly, that is the cool part about the Ninja Creamy, because you can like adjust it, you know, you just buy ice cream out, it's gonna be too sweet, at least for me and Carl. So anyway, I'm gonna pop this in the freezer, and then y'all are gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this. I posted another video about it, but basically the one that was arriving today from Amazon, turns out it was just like a seller that was repackaging broken, returned creamies and then selling them to other people. So anyways, my amazing husband just ran to Walmart. They had them in stock at one of my local Walmarts, so we got it! Okay, so what I had frozen earlier obviously is not fully frozen yet, which is perfect. So now I'm just going to spoon this on in, and then I'm gonna pop this in the freezer. I don't know if this has to be up to the max fill line, but I would assume being under is better than being over. So I'm gonna pop this in the freezer, hopefully, so it's like 1:45 right now. Hopefully by tonight, by like, I don't know, 9, we'll be in business. It's currently 8 p.m., we're watching TV. Let's make a creamy, the first one ever. Got my base, it did not freeze for 12 hours, it froze for like 8. It's gonna still work, I just know it. Okay. It's powdery, but I think this is just part of the process, so I'm not gonna add anything and we're gonna respin. Still a bit powdery, so we're gonna add in a little bit of milk. Adding in mini M&Ms, because mini are the best. Now we're gonna do the mixing. Oh my gosh. Taste test. Oh my gosh. I love it.